Hey guys, a lot of people have been asking me on the R5 Mark II, can you run an external battery on it? Yes, you can. I finally got my setup in. I don't got everything in, but I got the battery in. I got the dumb battery in. So let me show you what I got here, and you make yourself. If you want to do it, do it. If you don't, that's fine. So here we go. Let's flip it around. All right, guys. So this is what I got. I got the PS099E battery from Neewer. It is not very much. It's like $100, and it comes with the battery and the V-mount. The V-mount, it's not here yet. It's still on Amazon, but I wanted to do this video because people have been asking about it. I got my field monitor from Field World. Got a dummy battery on it as well. As you can see, let me flip around here. Dummy battery. Got the cable comes down. Hooks in the top of the battery too. So this one battery is going to run both my units. And yes, everything does work on it so far. This is the pre-shoot. Half shutter. No problem at all. As you can see, I got the cord for the dummy battery for it. The DRE6P works in the R5 Mark II. And then that bill said, what about raw? Does raw work onto it? So there we go, raw. Make sure I show it to you. There you go, 60 raw. Record. No problems at all. Everything's recording. As you can see the battery, shows you your voltage. The battery meter actually works too. So I haven't seen if the battery meter drops down with it yet. So I haven't really used it that much. I charged it up and it kind of went from there. But man, it's ideal for me. I do a lot of videos. I do a lot of rodeos. I do all kind of crap like that. So this setup here is going to work great for me. Not to change the batteries out all the time. Just let it rip, tater chip. So happy with it. Happy, happy, happy. That's cool. That's real cool. All right, guys. Hope you like that. Very short and simple. Get to the point. Get it. I'll put all the links down below for the battery, the cable. If you want the monitor, I can probably find it, put it on there. But just get you, a field monitor. Mine's a big ass one, just because that's how I am. All right, guys. Thanks again.